say goodbye to the hassles of manual attendance and embrace a seamless, secure and accurate solution with UBX. Traditional methods and the need for constant manual intervention are now a thing of the past. In schools, colleges and universities, the existing manual attendance system not only consumes valuable time, but also opens doors to proxy attendance, impacting student efficiency. UBX changes the game by installing a device in each classroom, capturing student attendance automatically in less than 5 seconds in real time. This eliminates the need for manual attendance, generating daily and weekly reports for faculty and parents alike, enhancing accountability. Forget about the inconvenience of thumb impressions on traditional biometric devices. The current method requires teachers or non-teaching staff to physically stand before the traditional biometric attendance device, repeatedly pressing their thumb on the scanner. Unfortunately, the glass of the scanner often accumulates multiple thumb impressions from previous users. This results in an oily surface that hinders proper functionality and authentication. Manual intervention becomes necessary to address these issues. With our solution, the need for physical contact is eliminated, providing a completely contactless and efficient experience. UBX ensuring reliability and efficiency. The system extends beyond classrooms to hostels, providing a comprehensive solution for attendance tracking. Even visitors and parents can enroll effortlessly at the security desk, enjoying limited access without security personnel trailing behind. UBX goes beyond attendance. It serves as a surveillance tool, identifying unauthorized individuals from a distance and raising alarms when needed. The impact of UBX extends beyond attendance tracking. The entire admission process, examinations, and issuance of admit cards and certificates can now go completely paperless. This not only enhances security, but also significantly reduces overheads and stationery costs. Embrace the future with UBX, a cost-effective solution that not only ensures security, safety and accuracy, but also sets your institution apart with its innovative and efficient processes. Elevate your institution to new heights, leaving outdated methods behind. Metroid Technologies, innovation and beyond.